It's Pride Month, and I've got a very special yarn to review for you today from KNYarns. This is called Be Gay, Do Crimes. This is a DK weight yarn. It's 100% superwash merino, and there are 274 yards. For the warp, I chose Heritage by KNYarns, and it's a 75% superwash merino with 15% nylon. I'm making a scarf, and I decided to use a number 10 Heddle. I warped 118 ends at 102 inches in length. The KNYarns was very easy to work with. It did have a tendency to come unknotted when I was tying it on the first time across, but it was fine. I wrangled a couple of them back together and didn't have any other problems. I used double strands of a super chunky yarn to spread the heddle. And then I got to start weaving. I was concerned about the warp color initially because I had been looking for something darker, maybe a dark charcoal or even a black, so that the weft colors would really pop off of the dark. But once I saw the first few inches of weaving coming together, I wasn't concerned anymore. The gray and the warp really just kind of melted into the gray that's in the weft already. And I'm very happy with how all the colors work together. And this is the part where I shut up and let the footage speak for itself. I always hem stitch scarves. The edge it leaves is just beautiful, and honestly, I think it's kind of fun to do. And when it comes to scarves, I almost always twist the fringe. Again, because I love how it looks, and also again, because sadly, I think it's really fun to do. One difference with this one though is that I couldn't stand the thought of having this sad gray fringe on such a bright, colorful scarf. So I actually cut pieces of the KN yarn and added it to each bundle before I twisted the fringe, and I think it looks really great. And here it is. Isn't that pretty? These colors are almost neon. And I just love it. So there you go. Again, this yarn is by KNYarns, and I found them on Etsy. So I'll put a link in the description in case you want to go check them out. And other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.